Time now for business news. Red Stripe has suspended its full for empties bottle return policy for all customers. Under the regime, retailers and wholesalers had to provide empty bottles in the same quantity of beverages they would like to purchase. Red Stripe says the policy, which ended last week, was expanded in 2022 to tackle an ongoing global shortage of glass bottles due to supply chain disruptions. The company says due to an increase in the return of empty bottles, its bottle supply is now sufficient. Head of commercial at Red Stripe, Sean Wallace, says the company is, however, still pushing for the return of empty bottles. The first tranche of Mayberry Investments secured bonds closed on Friday, which means the overall offer has officially closed. The basis of allotment will be published in a matter of days. The previous segments closed early and were oversubscribed. Mayberry exercised the option to upsize the offer, which allows them to raise up to $7 billion. The funds will be used to support the company's margin book though the customers are able to borrow against their existing investments. The US dollar is being sold for an average $155.04, $120.98 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $188.97 for the pound, while it's costing an average $167.34 for the euro. The JC Index lost 633 points today, while the Junior Market Index declined by 25 points. Among the winners were Caribbean Cream, Portland JSX, Palace Amusement, Paramount Trading, and Indies Pharma Jamaica. The losers included Sterling Investments, Cygnus Real Estate, Finance US Dollar Shares, CAC 2000 CR Preference Shares, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, and One-on-One Educational Services. And that's the business day. Herman has international developments after this break.